Imagine sitting in a quiet room, but the moment you close your eyes, a persistent ringing fills your ears, a sound only you can hear. You might think it's just stress or maybe a passing phase, but here's the shocking truth. Up to 20% of people experience this condition called tinnitus, and the myth surrounding it could keep you stuck in a loop of frustration. The biggest myth? That tinnitus will always remain a part of your life. Studies show that thanks to neuroplasticity, the brain can actually learn to ignore these phantom sounds over time. Research has demonstrated that techniques like sound therapy can retrain your auditory pathways, gradually diminishing that incessant ringing. Want to take action today? Start with 2 simple approaches. First, dedicate just 10 minutes daily to listening to nature sounds. This helps your brain establish new auditory patterns. Second, try a mindfulness meditation that focuses on deep breathing. Aim for a count of 4 in, hold for 4, and 6 out. This lowers stress responses that often exacerbate tinnitus. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. Share your experiences and methods in the comments because your insights might be the ray of hope someone else desperately needs. Together, we can break the silence around tinnitus and forge a path to relief. Now, I know it can still feel overwhelming, even with this knowledge. It definitely did for me. But here's my personal discovery. After trying countless remedies, there's one natural supplement that really made a difference for me. Seriously, I'm not exaggerating. It turned my daily struggle into something manageable. Don't hesitate, check out my homepage and see if this could be the answer for you too. You deserve relief, and I truly hope this helps.